Hey guys, so the video that you're about to watch is a vlog from very early on in January that I still haven't been able to edit and upload because my laptop has just been acting a complete fool. I think it's time to get a new one, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Still, it is from a few weeks back. I am hoping that I can catch up within the next few weeks. I can probably do like a double upload week type of thing with the vlog so that I can catch up to real time. It's currently Valentine's Day and I'm still talking about taking down our tree. So yeah, so just bear with me. Hopefully I can get this whole editing situation situated and yeah, we can move on and live on with our lives.
Yes. You
guys have no idea how much I've been struggling. If you follow me on IG, you kind of know, but yeah. I'm ready to toss this out the window. I really am. So I hope you guys enjoy weekly vlog number 55 and yeah, let's get on into it. It is foggy this morning.
Oh yeah, and cold.
Freezing.
Oh no.
So we're actually on our way to church, but first we're gonna stop by Starbucks and get us a little coffee. I actually brought some of my makeup right now because on my way to church, I'm gonna attempt to do my makeup. So I was able to do my makeup, but we are now out of church. We are now at brunch at Grand Lux Cafe.
Okay guys, so we got the vlogger special. The vlogger booth. Yeah, the unnecessarily big table. That's very nice of them. Thank you guys.
We should get one beignet and one big breakfast.
Yeah? Alright.
You wanna share?
Yes, but what will we share? Beignets, babe. Oh.
We have a chocolate sauce, raspberry, and I think there's like a lemon meringue one. He's for summer.
Hey Pookie, we're soaring.
Shut up.
You don't want to sing with me?
No.
Why? Oh, because I'm not actually Troy.
Yeah, you're not.
Well,
Troy
you're not
Bolton.
actually Gabriela. So
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Where?
Look.
Oh, there you are. We came in here for non or unmentionables.
You mean underwear?
Yes, that's why.
I want these. They're cute.
Get them, girl.
I will.
They're making money off of our old nickname or your old nickname to me. Wow.
From like 10 years ago.
Babe, we should put Pookie and Nookie stuff out.
I'm telling you. I've been telling you.
We need to now. Y'all stop it. Stop trying to make stuff without us.
That we own.
Yeah, it's ours. Ours. Pookie and Nookie is ours, not yours. Te amo, te quiero. Look. A heart waffle maker.
We would use that once if we get that.
Once. So?
We've used our waffle maker one time.
Here we are today at Menchie's. We're gonna see who we find here. We're looking for celebrities, anybody famous. See who we run into today. Hello, Catherine. How are you? How's your husband? How do you feel?
Can you get out of my face?
Oh, wow. Luxurybeautyheart exposed. She's rude and mean to paparazzis. Can you pose for a picture, please, Luxurybeautyheart? Perfect.
I never understood that. Like, how can you be rude to paparazzi when then they're already being rude to you?
All right. Let's see. What are you eating there?
Look how pretty.
What are you eating there? Oh, I see. Cool Whip.
I have dulce de leche and matcha. Can you see the matcha?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The green.
Matcha and coffee flavor.
Wow. Perfect.
What do you have?
Oh. Oh, how did this get here?
We're actually finally taking down our Christmas tree. So what I I do every year is I keep the original packaging that they come with, and it just makes it so much easier to store them, and it keeps them pretty well. We bought these like 5 years ago and they look brand freaking new. Here's some more.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So while George takes down this tree, I'm actually gonna go into our room and take down all those blue ornaments that we have in there, so that by the time he's done in here, he can go and take that one down.
Wanna move my feet, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, 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 wanna drink my wine.
I wanted Popeyes sandwiches, but she always gotta have her way.
Yeah, this isn't Popeyes.
You know how many Popeye sandwiches we could have bought? Like 10. We could have ate all week long Popeye sandwiches for dinner. But we got this.
What's better than this?
For 2 days. Hannah Montana going.
And my homemade sauce.
Oh yeah, that homemade sauce, y'all. That's some good stuff.
Doesn't it? Hello guys, happy Friday. Today I am going to pick up my siblings from school, and I'm just gonna hang out with them for a few hours, take them to eat a little something after school, probably take them shopping a little bit. I don't know. I actually have some stuff to pick up from Sephora, and tonight I should be getting in the Tati Beauty Blendables, so I can film with that as well. I don't even know what the state of my hair is right now. But yeah, it should be a fun Friday afternoon. My sister is getting out in about an hour or so, and my little brother about 2 hours. I don't know what Amalia and I are gonna do in the meantime. Obviously, Eileen works and I wish she could come, but she's not able to. So I got these two out of school today. How is that a meal, Amalia?
I just ate lunch 2 hours ago.
I ate lunch 4 hours ago.
And this is my lunch, and only meal of the day.
You were down at Nacogdoches?
It's up, Matthew.
No.
Anyway, so Amalia wants to go to Ross. For what?
For a dress for a wedding.
A wedding?
Yes. My
Are you
friends
in the
are
wedding
16. No, I'm getting married. You didn't know?
Oh my god.
I thought you were invited.
Nah. Okay, cool. I guess we're going to Ross. Oh, look at the babies. Oh my god, they're so little. Look at them. Hi.
Oh look, they're resting behind each other.
Eileen's gonna keep repeating this footage.
Yep.
You trying to get a hamster? No. Hi, puppies. Oh my god, that one right there looks so cute. The little blonde one.
I can.
Oh my god. Look at them. Is this a rat?
Yeah.
That's not a rat.
What is it?
Oh, it's a fancy mouse.
Catherine, I have $13.
So cute. Matthew, stop.
I want one.
No.
I have
No.
Yes.
No.
You want to put half and half?
No.
I'm
We're
already
not.
paying- especially with you.
No more animals. Especially since you're allergic.
But like that's the fun part.
I need to look for a toy for Kaido.
They're sleeping in there.
Yeah, balls, but they need to be like super hard and rubber.
Did you hear that?
No. Like his football. Oh my god, they have them. I want a soccer ball too.
But this one you could squeeze it.
He hates squeaky toys though. Okay, so I think I found two really good toys for Kaido. A football and a tire. I hope he likes them. The tire might be a little small for him though.
I've been seeing these in the store a lot. Basically, you can put the batter or the mixture into a mug, put it in the microwave, ready in about a minute, it says. And then you have a brownie. I want to try it. So, here we go. It's already pre-opened because my wife was so helpful earlier today. She decided to open it. Intrigued, nosy. Yeah, so this is it right here. Quick tips: add 1 teaspoon chopped nuts. Sprinkle crushed cookies after baking. Ooh, crushed cookies. It consists of pouch into a microwave shake mug for best results. Use 9 to 12 ounce mug. Add 2 tablespoons of water or milk and stir with a spoon until batter is smooth. Microwave on high for 55 seconds. Cooking time may vary based on microwave. Refer to carton for details. Cool for 2 minutes before enjoying. Here. It's just powder. So let's go. Put it in. What's a tablespoon? 2 tablespoons. Oh wait, but it also said you can put milk. There is smooth, huh? Okay, which one do you want? They kind of look wet in the middle.
Why?
I don't know.
Is that supposed to be like that?
I don't know. Well, surely not.
It doesn't look done.
The whole thing? So put it in the microwave some more?
I guess my brownies never have that much moisture, and that's why I'm weirded out. Whose is better, mine or theirs?
Let's try it.
I'm scared. I'm a chicken. Huh. I don't know. I would not waste my calories on that.
You like it? What's wrong with it?
It's like...
Dang, it's not that bad.
It's like I'm eating a baby soggy food.
For real?
That's what it tastes like to me. Because, like, I can get a hint of brownie, but it's mostly mush. I'm actually wearing the robe that George gave me for Christmas, and it's so soft. It hits so much different when it's actually cold, like when you feel cold. So we are back from the gym. We've just been lounging around. It's a lazy Saturday afternoon, night. And now we're going to eat.
Yes.
Some Chick-fil-A, and maybe we can play a game later.
A game? Yeah, we can play, what's that game we have?
Mario Kart.
Oh, yeah. No, I was going to say, the tower one. Jenga.
Jenga?
Nah. We'll play paper, rock, scissors.
You ready to lose, sucker?
I'm not gonna
Who's
lose.
gonna win? Me?
No, not you.
Me.
You're gonna lose.
Be a gentleman. Say me.
Yeah, you are gonna lose. That's what you said, right? Don't let him catch up to your booking!
You're joking!
Where were you? Like in,
I was in 6th place!
and you got knocked down to 11th. Oh,
They all just ambushed me.
yeah. They all just went, let's get her.
Look, he bumps into me, and then I recuperate, and I'm heading straight for that turtle shell. He's trying to bump into me again, and he bumps into the green turtle shell. And I'm just go, go, go. And then I thought it was done, but he had a green turtle shell. You see there? I boosted. And there's that green turtle shell coming right behind me. And it's straight towards me. He bumps into me.
Hey, look where that. Look
And I land right in front of the finish line. And he's coming right up behind me.
Ah.
Look, and then I start my car up just in time. This game is intense sometimes.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? But crazy things like that happen to me all the time. Huh?
All the time. This game is epic.
Are you gonna watch the whole thing?
No, I think you had another fight back here right at the end. Right at the beginning of the last lap right there, I think. Right? Yeah. Look, show that.
Oh yeah, I'm small. And then he rolls over me. I'm telling you, he's always after me.
Look.
He just...
Yo, I mean, I don't got no, I mean, I can't do anything. I'm already in your path.
That was you?
That was me. I'm sorry. Look.
Was that you too?
No, that wasn't me.
But yeah, it was just one thing after the other that's
boom.
still bumping
Yeah,
into
boom,
me.
Bump. Koopa, bump. And then...
He avoided
okay.
me. But he was bumping into me the entire time too, throwing shells at me. Alright you guys, so that is the end of weekly vlog number 55.
Yes.
We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys next week. Bye!
Peace.